This video is designed to those who are new to SharePoint 2013. And this video is for SharePoint end-user training as well. Microsoft SharePoint is a software system that is installed on Microsoft Windows Server, with Microsoft SQL Server as the database behind it. The purpose is to provide a web-based system for sharing files and information in a way that does not require knowledge of any computer language.
Now, we will learn how to use Practical Actions SharePoint site. First, type https://practicalaction.sharepoint.com/sites/grp in the address bar of a browser. Then it will open Office 365 page and ask you to enter username and password. The username should be the combination of first 4 characters of your first name and first 3 characters of your surname that is followed by the organization's domain name. For example, aliclam@practicalaction.org.np for Alislama. Then click Sign In. Now, it will reach in a site, which is called Group Site.
Group Site is the main homepage of Practical Action SharePoint site. Here we can find different icons to access different sites of Practical Action. Apart from that, also can view and read news and blogs published by the organization. Besides, it is also a gateway to access the sites of country offices.
On the top of the group site, it consists of some icons which are the links to redirect to other sites of Practical Action. Group Policy icon redirects to the home page of Organization Policy. PMP icon redirects to the Practical Actions online People Management Process site. Strategic Direction icon redirects to the Practical Actions Strategic Direction site. PFDB icon redirects to the Practical Actions Program Funding Database site. Travel Planner icon redirects to the Practical Actions Travel Planner site. This site is used to fill up online travel request form. OneDrive icon redirects to your OneDrive for Business page. Email icon shows the number of your unread emails. And it will take you to your webmail if you click this icon.
News web part. It is a web part to view latest news published by Practical Actions country offices. Blogs web part. It is a web part to view blogs published by Practical Actions country offices.
Links web part. It is a web part to access different links. The small circles at the bottom of the web part help to access country sites, useful links, key resources, and my links.
Sites. It is the list of links to access main page of country office SharePoint sites. Useful links. It is the place to create useful links. Click on Create Your Links here to add links to the useful links. My Links. It is the place to create your own links. Click on My Links to create links. Click New Link to create a link or click Edit to modify already created link. Type the full web address and description in the specified boxes. Then click Save. Then check My Links web part. There you will find updated list with recently added link.
Calendar web part. This is a web part to view appointments and events scheduled in Site Calendar and Outlook Calendar. Click here to switch calendars.
CEO blog web part. This is a web part to view blogs posted by CEO of Practical Action.
Navigation. It is a set of controls and links to sites and pages. It helps users to go to the relevant locations. Inside navigation there is links to access home pages of country sites, international teams, search team, search topic, and our projects. Now here, we will learn about Introduction to Country Office SharePoint site, Introduction to Team site, Document library details, Uploading a document, Edit properties and metadata, Create a view, and Add email attachments. Processes to open Country Office home page using Group Site. Process 1. Click on Navigation. Then, click on Name of a country from Home Pages list. Or Process 2. Click on Name of a country from Site's web part list. Home page of a country offices looks similar to a group site. However, news and blogs are country specific. News and blogs web parts show the news and blogs published or posted by the country offices. As in a group site, each country site has navigation pane. However, it has different menu lists than that of group site. Each navigation pane of country office site has country-specific menu lists. Home pages list. This list consists of links to access country sites. Areas and units list. This list consists of links to access unit sites. Program list. This list consists of links to access program sites. Our project list. This list consists of links to access project sites.
Step-by-step process to access Country Office SharePoint site. Here, Nepal's SharePoint site is chosen for demonstration. The same process will be applied for other country offices' SharePoint sites as well.
First click on Navigation, then, click on Nepal's ITU sub-site from Areas and Units list. Then, click on Test Document Library. A document library is a container or shelf to place documents. Inside the document library, it can be found the list of uploaded documents. Document library is a collection of documents and files in SharePoint, which are shared within the organization and maintained using SharePoint's web application platform. It not only stores the documents, but also manages the metadata for the document. Most document management features are delivered through document libraries. A document library consists of commands like new and upload to create and upload a document. New menu of SharePoint document library consists of list of templates. These templates are used to create Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote files inside the document library. Upload menu of SharePoint is for uploading a file inside a document library. Click Upload. To start file uploading process, click on Choose Files to select a file or files. Select a file or files from the computer, then click Open button. Now, file uploading process is completed. You can see uploaded file in the list of a document library. We can also upload files using drag and drop process. In this process, first need to select the files from the source drive, then need to drag the selected files from source drive and drop them to SharePoint's document library.
Now, we will learn about menus for selected document or file.
Right-click on selected document. Here you will find menus for selected document. Open in Word. Opens a selected document in Microsoft Word. Open in Word, online, directly opens selected document in a browser. Download, saves a copy of a document into your computer from SharePoint site. Rename, allows you to edit the name of a selected document. Delete, is a command, which removes selected file or files, from a document library, and put it into SharePoint's recycle bin. Those files can be restored to original location, as well as can be permanently deleted from SharePoint's recycle bin.
Process 2. Access SharePoint's recycle bin to move the deleted file or files to original location, or to delete the file or files permanently.
First open a library. Then click on Settings. After that, click on Site Contents. Then, click on Recycle Bin. select a file or files from the list. After that, click Restore Selection to restore the file or files. Or, click on Delete Selection to remove the file or files permanently. Copy is a command which creates a duplicate copy of a selected document in the specified destination of the SharePoint document library. Version history is a command to view, edit, delete and restore different versions of a selected file or files. From properties, users can view, or edit, metadata of a selected document. Users with read permission can view, whereas users with contributor permission can view, as well as edit the metadata of a selected document. Checkout makes the document uneditable to other users to prevent conflicts where multiple people might want to edit the same piece of content at the same time. When the file is checked out, the icon next to the file name is partially covered by a green, downward pointing arrow icon image. This tells that the file is checked out. If a user points to the icon of any checked out file, it shows the name of the document and the name of the person who has it checked out. Changes made in a checkout file will not be available to others until it is checked in. So, for check-in, right-click the file. Then, click on Check-in from Advanced menu.
Here, we will learn about the process to attach SharePoint document link to an outgoing email message.
First, open SharePoint and Outlook windows, then put them side by side. Then, drag a file from SharePoint window and drop it into Outlook window. This process shows how to create, edit or delete a view in a SharePoint. To create a view, click on Library. Then click Create View. Here, you can see different view types to choose. Let's choose Standard View. Now, type View Name in the View Name box. From View Audience, select the option that represents the intended audience for this view. From Columns, select the option that represents the intended audience for this view. Select or clear the checkbox next to each column you want to show or hide in this view of this page. To specify the order of the columns, select a number in the Position from Left box. From Sort, select up to 2 columns to determine the order in which the items in the view are displayed. From Filter, show all of the items in this view, or display a subset of the items by using filters. From Group By, select up to 2 columns to determine what type of group and subgroup the items in the view will be displayed in. Then click OK to save view. Now, you can see new view in the list. Created view can be deleted. For that, first select the view that you wish to delete, then click Modify View from Library tab, then click Delete. Click OK to confirm. Now, the process is completed. View named Test is deleted from the view list of SharePoint's library.